Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this B&B Molders vented RV docking station with the city tank fill switch. Now this isn't just a bunch of loose inlets that are being scattered around your RV. This docking station's going to keep all your essential hookups in one nice recessed panel that's built right into your RV's wall. If you notice, the door on this has a key lock door that it can be locked to help protect everything when it's not in use. And then you can just put your key in to unlock it and open the door up. Another nice feature it has, if you notice right up here, these built-in gates that you can just swing to the sides. It has two of them. So if you need to hook up any hoses, let's say over here, when you swing the door down, you can still have your hose hooked up without and closing the door and locking it if you prefer. Since there isn't even no connections over here, you could just flip this one back into place and then just use the one side. And if you don't have any connections, you just put these back in there and they'll give you a whole complete door that you can lock. Now this will mean that your setup's going to stay clean. Your connections are going to stay protected, all while keeping the outside of your RV nice, neat, and clean. Now also, whether you're hooked up at a campsite or preparing for off-grid travel, you can switch between using your city water and then filling your RV's freshwater tank just by flipping a switch. Right here, you can notice there's a blue handle switch here. The position it's in right now, and actually you can actually look at the lid at the top here, and it tells you what all these are down in here on the lid. So right now it's showing you in this position, parallel across, it's for tank fill. If you flip it, switch down, perpendicular like that, you can see that's for your city water. So just by flipping it back and forth, you can control where you want it. There's no crawling around having to reroute your hoses. All you have to do is just hook up once and choose the mode that fits your day. Makes it very quick and simple. Makes your camp setup easy every time. Now also, if you notice right down here next to the connection here, you can see they do have a vent in there for your freshwater tank. Now both water inlets on the back here, they are equipped with check valves that'll prevent water from backflowing into your hose. It's one of those details that you don't always see, but it does make a difference in keeping your water supply clean and your setup worry-free. The water lines themselves are 1/2-inch MPT connections. Now also, basically, when it's time to clean your black water tank, you shouldn't have to mess with any shared connection. This docking station is going to give you a dedicated inlet right here, just for flushing the tank. Hook your hose up there, tighten it on there. You just hook up a separate hose, flush it out thoroughly, and then move on without worrying about any cross-contamination or mess. You'll notice it does include the sealant tape when you install it and the hardware for installation. A few overall dimensions on this. The overall width, this side to this side, is 13 inches wide. Height, top to bottom, 7 3/4 inches tall. The depth, 3 3/4 inches deep. Now the cutout dimension, which is the part that's going to fit into your RV, needs to be 11 1/16 inches wide and about 6 inches tall. But again, you can see, turn it to open it. If you need to lock it, just turn it, move your key, and then the door's locked. Nobody can get into it. But that's going to do it for a look at the B&B Molders vented RV docking station with the city tank fill switch.